Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Alcatel 3D, then 4G. First of all, open Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, if you see any kind of notifications pop up, you can choose whatever you wish to. In my case, don't allow. Now, to use Send Anywhere app, click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Then do exactly the same on Alcatel. I accept, confirm, continue, allow, and OK. Now I need to rotate my device real quick, and then choose Receive at the bottom of it. In order to continue, you need to make sure that Send is set up on your Android at the bottom left corner, and then click on all of those dots from all of those categories. When you're ready, choose Send next to Selected. This way you can choose your files and then transfer them. It will take some time though to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now on Alcatel you need to choose one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, then selecting Allow in the pop-up and pointing your tablet's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and click on Receive. Now as you can see, after a while my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!